Hey, how's it going? Alright, listen, I know it's been a long time, okay, but I've been busy, I've been doing stuff. Recently, I just started up my own business. And as a gift to myself, I decided to make this kind of like Shadowbox iPhone thingy. I'll put one up on the screen right now. It looks a little something like this. But I want to make it out of a phone that has a lot of meaning to me. And that exact phone is this one, the iPhone 6S. Now, don't mind the taquitos here, but the reason why this phone has so much meaning to me is because this was the first ever iPhone that I hacked. Yeah, that's right, I hacked this phone. All right, now listen, Apple, I don't want any lawsuits, so technically, we're gonna say that I didn't hack the phone. I did. This iPhone right here was given to my mother. She worked for New York State, and because of that, they gave her a free iPhone 6S as a work phone. This iPhone 6 had an MDM lock on it. It's basically a setting that allows companies to hand out a phone and say, I'm gonna watch every single fucking thing that you do on this thing so that you're not engaging in any illegal activity or watching porn on a work phone. And this phone was issued, I don't know, 10 fucking years ago, and for some reason it still had the MDM lock on it. Since it was issued such a long time ago, there was no login information for the actual company, meaning that I couldn't get into this phone and watch porn even if I wanted to. So I hacked it. All right, boo-hoo, big deal. I'm not gonna tell you exactly the steps that I took in order to do this because it would probably get me a decent amount of jail time, but I will tell you it is possible. And the internet's a big place, so you could probably figure it out on your own. I never really had a use for this phone unless I wanted to engage in illegal activities. It was actually a fun little experiment that popped into my head one day, seeing if I can break the restrictions of an iPhone. Yes, I can. But anyways, here's where I'm going to segment off to the next part of the video, where we have to go to
Michael's, the place of dreams and lolly porn. And I actually found these really nice Shadowbox frames. But as soon as I got back to the car, I realized that I had two and some super glue, so they kind of oversold me a little bit. And so pretty much the idea here is to take this whole iPhone, take it apart, and slap it all throughout here. Look, I even got this super strong glue that they sold me.
Now it's probably a good time to talk about the sponsor of this video. My own company, Roboot.
Roboot is a tech company that I started that has completely been demolishing the market in New York. We have a bunch of services and products that you can choose from for anything dealing with technology. We plan on offering a lot more products and services in the near future, so if you want to check us out, you can visit www.roboot.tech, where we offer businesses and homeowners a quick and easy way of getting their tech set up. So thanks for supporting, and back to the video.
Take a look at how tiny these screws are. Can you see that? Why is it focusing on me? Focus on the screw. Nah, fuck it. It's small. Alright, it's a small screw. It's really hard. Shit, where did the other one go? See that? Look at that. We're in the screen. See? We're getting there, I promise. This is what the phone's looking like so far. Alright, but I can't seem to get these little corners up here. I don't know why. And boom. Just like that, we're inside of the phone.
So as you can see, this is the inside of the iPhone 6S. Alright, we still have to unscrew a bunch of shit here, disconnect the camera and microphone, and take the whole battery out, but we'll get there.
Fuck you, Phillips head. Flatheads work just as good. Oh shit, where did that screw just go?
And if you've never seen behind the screen of an iPhone, I'm gonna show you real quick. Look at that. That's behind the screen. Getting pretty close to finishing here. Alright, you can see here that I have pretty much almost all of the components out. I just got a couple more I gotta take out.
But yeah, the next time that you see me, this entire phone will be taken apart.
Now I just have to get all of this shit laid out on this little board here, and then I have to start gluing it. So this is going to be fun. And after letting the glue dry for a couple hours, I came back and I realized that it actually turned out pretty nice. I also put this little piece of paper here to explain exactly what I did to it. And I found a perfect place to put it too, right above the toilet where I take my morning piss. Just as a little fuck you to Apple. And this was the story on how I hacked an iPhone and turned it into a trophy. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Later.
I really don't care if you are